Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and today we have glitches and overages to talk about as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead and take a quick look at our insert schedule for today, October the 30th. We should be receiving a Smart Source and the new November P&G insert in today's newspapers. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into these new Dollar General digital coupons, and we have a lot to go over this morning. I believe we received about 100 new digital coupons. We have glitches and overages. So, of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. We have a one-off one for the Oral-B toothbrushes. If you want to pick up the Color Collection 2 count, those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Bright and Clean toothbrush. That is priced at $1, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Now next up, we have a 3 off 2 for the Crest and Oral-B products. So we have certain Crest toothpaste. I believe it's mostly the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. Those are on sale this week, 2 for $6. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. However, this coupon is also glitching and it is working on the Bright and Clean toothbrush, the Healthy and Clean toothbrush, the Crest Pro Health, and the Crest with Scope toothpaste. So all of those are priced at $1 each. Pick up 2 of those, use the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. So we are starting off the week on a good note. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. If you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are now priced at $3 each. So pick up one of those, use the coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1. Next up, we have 50 cents off one for the Gain dish liquids. Those are priced at $2.70. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.20. However, these are also on sale, 2 for $5 this week. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. Next up, we have $3.30 off 2 for the Febreze products. So these are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.20 for 2. Now, I'm not going to clip this one to my account just yet because I have insert coupons that I want to use first. Those tend to expire in a couple of weeks. We did receive the new P&G insert today in our newspapers. So the insert coupons for the Febreze will expire in a couple of weeks, whereas the digital does not expire until the end of the month. So I'm going to wait to clip that one until I use all my inserts. Alright, next up we have a 1 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the Crest Pro Health, those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste and the Crest with Scope toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use the coupon, and that's going to give you another freebie. Moving on, we have a 1 off 1 for the Crest mouthwash. So the 1 liter bottles are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And this coupon is also glitching, so it is working on the travel size mouthwash. Those are also priced at $1 each. So after the coupon, there's you another freebie for this week. Moving on down, we have 1 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now because we have that higher value 2 off 1, and this does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste that are priced at $3. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the Mucinex. If you want to pick up the 6 count, those are priced at $6.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. And I don't know if you guys would consider this a glitch or not. Typically, the digital coupons aren't meant to work on the smaller counts and the smaller sized items. So this is working on the 4 count Mucinex. Those are priced at $4.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. So pretty good deal there. We have 3 off 3 for the Pantene, 1 off 1 for the Vicks Vapo products. So those are all pretty pricey, start out about $6 each. But this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Vicks Cough Drops, the 20 count found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use the coupon, and you've got another freebie. So we are really doing good on the glitches this morning. Alright, we have 150 off 1 for the Glade, 1 off 1 for the Axe. That's an older coupon. We have 150 off 1 for the Gold Bond products. Those start out at $5.10. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.60. We have 1 off 1 for the Miralax, Alka-Seltzer, and Phillips products. So the 20 count Alka-Seltzer, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have candy, that's an older coupon. 2 off 2 for the Quaker products. If you want to pick up the pancake mixes, those are priced at $2.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.70 for 2. We have 1 off 2 for the Huggies wipes. 1 off 3 for the Puffs tissue cubes. Those have went up in price as well. Those are now $2 each. So picking up 3 after the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 3. All right, 1 off 1 for the Angel Soft. The 6 count mega rolls, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. If you want to pick up the 8 count, those are $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. However, we do have a higher value $2.50 off 2 digital coupons. So if you haven't used that one yet, I'd probably use that one first. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. Next up, we have 75 cents off 1 for the Sparkle paper towels. The 2 count, they're priced at $4.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.60. However, we do have this higher value coupon right below it. So we have a 4 off 2 for the Sparkle paper towels. This is for the 6 double rolls. So these are priced at $7.50. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 2. So I think that's definitely a better deal. All right, 50 cents off for the Microban, the 2 off 1 user, and that's an older coupon. We have a higher value 3 off 1 coupon. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Always Discreet. If you want to pick up the 26 count liners, those are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. We have 150 off 1 for the Airwick. This is only working on the products that are priced at $5.75. So after the coupon, you'd pay $4.25. 150 off 1 for the Hefty trash bags. Those are priced at $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.45. We have 3 off 1 for the Gillette razors. So those start out at $8.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.25. And I do believe that was on the Mach 3 razor. All right, 3 off 2 for the Head & Shoulders, 1 off 1 for the Brawny, that's an older coupon, 2 off 1 for the All and Purex. Those are priced at $9.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. Here's an awesome coupon that is back. We have 2 off 2 for the Hefty slider bags. So this one doesn't expire until the end of the month. So I would hold on to this until there is a sale. Usually those pop up. They're like 2 for $5 or 2 for $5.50. Right now, if you need to use it, these are priced at $3.35 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.70 for 2. All right, next up, we have 150 off 1 for the Palmer's products. So those are priced at $4.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.15. However, this coupon is glitching, or y'all may consider it a glitch. You may not. I don't know. But the hand creams, the 2.1 ounce hand creams, those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. And those are also on sale too for $5. So if you wanted to pick up 2, use this coupon. You're going to pay $3.50 for 2. So not a bad deal there at all. Now we're going to skip over quite a few of these coupons. I went ahead and clipped all of them to my account. So you guys be on the lookout for the Good Deals and Glitch List video this week. I will probably have that up first thing Tuesday morning. Now we have a 3 off 1 for the Always Discreet. So if you want to pick up the 20 count, those are priced at $6.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We have $3 off when you purchase 1 Old Spice body wash and the lotion. So this is actually glitching, and it is working when you pick up 2 of the body wash. Those are priced at $5 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 2. Moving on down, we have Crest, we have Fix-A-Dent, we have new Swiffer coupons. We have 1 off 2 for the Olay body wash and bar soaps. This one is also glitching. It is working on the 2 count Olay bar soaps. Those are priced at $3.25 now. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2 of the 2 count Olay bar soaps. All right, we have herbal essences. We're just going to skip over quite a few of these here as well. I don't want this video to be too awfully long. But I will tell you guys about the best deals. All right, next up, we have 1 off 2 for the Old Spice deodorants. So these are pretty pricey. Those are $6.25 each, but this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the travel size deodorants. Those are priced at $1.25 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. And I believe those were like 0.5 ounce, if I'm remembering correctly. All right, we have Olay Safeguard Secret deodorants. Go ahead and clip all of those. There's that 1 off 1 emergency coupon. That is glitching as well. It's working on the 2 count emergencies, just in case you all missed it on Friday. So those are priced at $1. After the coupon, that makes it completely free. We have 3 off 1 for the Venus razors. We have 2 off 1 for the Vicks cough and cold products. So if you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $7.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.25. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 4-ounce liquids. These are priced at just $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. So there's yet another one more glitch. All right, we have Secret Dry Sprays, we have Peak, we have some Oral-B battery-powered toothbrushes, we have Icy Hot. So these are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. All right, and next up, we have another glitch. So here's a 2-off-1 for the Fix-It-Dent twin or triple packs. So this is glitching and it is working on the Precision Fix-It-Dent single pack. Those are priced at $6.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. And then we're going to skip over quite a few of these as well. We have the Oral-B battery-powered toothbrushes, Selsun Blue, Flintstones. That's a really low value coupon for Flintstones, so we're going to pass on clipping that one. We have Burt's Bees, 3-off-1 for the Always Discreet, the nasal spray there. We have Prilosec, Crest White Strips, 4-off-1 for the Asper Cream. Those are priced at $10, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. And we did get quite a few new DG store coupons, so we should have some pretty good deals with those. Look at that, Reese's coupon doesn't expire until February, so we will definitely have some good deals with that coupon. So go ahead and clip all of these DG store coupons. There's some more Mars candy, and that one doesn't expire until February either. So I'll make sure that you clip all of these before they disappear. We've got Hershey's Christmas candies. Trying to see if I'm missing anything here. I don't believe that I am. All right, guys, so that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons. And before you all go, I do want to give you all a little heads up. I did make a post about this in the community tab, but just in case anybody missed it, yesterday really didn't go as planned for me. I had a couple things pop up that I didn't expect to, so I did not get to announce the winners of the gift card giveaway. However, I'm going to put together a quick little video just showing you all how I organize my insert coupons, since a few of you have been asking for that video. So I'm going to put that together today, and I will have that uploaded either this evening or first thing tomorrow morning. So y'all be on the lookout for that, and I will announce the winners in that video. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so and make sure that you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.